Welcome to second lesson of EVS, How My Body Works. In this lesson, we shall revise about sense organs and have a brief introduction about our internal organs. Sense organs. Sense organs are the body parts by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste and touch or feel. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin. We see with our eyes. Our eyes help us to see colors. They also help us to make out if something is far or near. Next is our ears. We hear with our ears. Our ears help us to tell if a sound is loud, soft, pleasant or unpleasant. Next is tongue. We taste with our tongue. Our tongue helps us to taste food. It helps you to know if something is sweet, salty, sour or bitter. Next is our nose. We smell with our nose. Our nose helps us to say if something smells nice or bad. The last one is our skin. We feel with our skin. The skin on any part of our body can make us feel if something is hot or cold, rough or smooth, hard or soft. So seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting and feeling are the 5 things that help you to know the world around you. They are called the 5 senses. And the 5 parts of your body that help you to do these things are your eyes, ears, your tongue, nose and skin. So these are your 5 sense organs. In the previous slide, you have seen some body parts that are visible. For example, your eyes, your ears, your nose. Now, there are some parts of our body which we cannot see. They are inside our body and do different kinds of works. Therefore, they are called as internal organs because they are inside our body and we cannot see them. They are called as internal organs. For example, brain, lungs, heart and stomach. Now let us see the pictures of some internal organs. This is your stomach. This one is heart. This is lungs and this one is the most important internal organ, that is our brain. Now let us know briefly about our internal organ, brain. Okay. Brain is inside the head. Now see the location of the brain. It is inside the head. And the brain helps us to think. This is the most important organ in the body which helps us to think. It controls all the sense organs and the way we think. Okay, the brain tells each organ what to do by sending messages through nerves. Okay, and also the messages from all parts of our body will reach the brain through the nerves. So you can say the brain is the most important organ in the body which instructs all the parts of our body what to do. We all need air to live. Okay? We breathe in and breathe out air through our nose. Now, there is an internal organ called lungs which help our body to use the air that we breathe in. So actually they absorb oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. This you will be learning in your higher classes, but for now you remember that the internal organ lungs help our body to use the air that we breathe in. And now this is the location of the lungs in our body. It is near the chest. You can see here, this is the chest part and you have your lungs here, and there are two lungs in the chest. Now, the next important internal organ of our body is the heart. Okay, it looks like this. Now, the heart is located on the left side of the chest. See here, so this is the location of your heart. It looks something like this. Okay. Now what does the heart do? The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. What is the meaning of pumping? Pumping means pushing. Okay. It pushes the blood to all parts of the body. Now why is this blood important? Because the blood carries oxygen and digested food to all parts of the body. Okay, that's why this is the most important, one of the most important internal organ of the body. So what does the heart do? The heart pushes or sends blood to all parts of the body. Now, the next internal organ is the stomach. Okay. The food that we swallow goes to the stomach. See, whatever we are eating or drinking goes to the stomach. Now, this is the location of your stomach. In the stomach, the food is broken down, or we call it as digested. Now, this is a new term for you. What is the meaning of digestion? The breaking down of food is called digestion. Breaking down means the food will become into small pieces, okay, and that is called as digestion. And we need the food to be digested so that it gives us energy. It gives us energy. So I hope you are clear with the term digestion. What is the meaning of digestion? The breaking down of food is called digestion. Okay. Now this is a picture of the internal organs in a human being. Out of all these we have seen few. We have seen what is a brain. We have just seen what is a heart. Next lungs and a stomach. There are many more internal organs which we will be learning later. Okay. Now, let us summarize what we have learned in the lesson. We have seen what are sense organs, our eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. We have also learned some internal organs, brain, lungs, heart and stomach. Now this comes to the end of the lesson and now we will read the lesson. Okay. Now, let us read the lesson, How My Body Works. In the previous class, you learned about some parts of the body and what they help us to do. Let us try to remember. We see with our eyes, we hear with our ears, we taste with our tongue, we smell with our nose, we feel with our skin. The eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin are our sense organs. There are some other parts of our body which we cannot see. They are inside the body. They do different kinds of work. The brain helps us to think. It controls all the sense organs and the way we think. The brain is inside the head. The lungs help our body to use the air that we breathe in through the nose. There are two lungs in the chest. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. The heart is on the left side of the chest. The food that we swallow goes to the stomach. In the stomach, the food is broken down or digested. The breaking down of food is called digestion. The brain, lungs, heart and stomach are known as organs. They are found inside our body. Therefore, they are called internal organs. Now, children, you can read the lesson twice, okay, so that it will be clear for you. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you.